Welcome to Kickapoo Kind. Today we'll be making some hemp jewelry. The first thing we need to do is attach the clasp. If you bought one of our kits, the clasp should already be attached. Also included in your kit are one center cord with the clasp attached, one long cord, and 3 beads. Things you'll still need are a safety pin to attach to the end of your jeans, or another way to hold the bracelet or necklace in place. We used a clipboard. Let's get started. Take the hemp cord with the beads and clasp on it. This will become your center cord. Remove the beads and clasp and set aside for later. Take the center cord and measure the length needed. You can mark the center with a pen so you know where to put the center bead. Secure the center cord, the one with the clasped end, to something sturdy with your safety pin or board. Take the long cord and fold in half with the shorter cord on the inside and the 2 sides of the longer cord on the outside. The longer cord will make up the knots, while the shorter strings will be the carrier cord that is used to hold the knots. Make sure the ends of the outside cords line up evenly and start knotting. When you get close to the center, you will need to add the beads. When adding the beads, try to make sure to count how many knots in between to try to keep the beads the same distance apart and make the bracelet look more symmetrical. If you want to add more beads, put the bead on the center cord and repeat the last steps. When you get to the length you desire for your bracelet or necklace, add the clasp to the middle cord, tie a knot on all the cords, and cut off any extra cord you have. You can use a dab of super glue to hold the knot on the end clasp if needed. When you're finished, take the safety pin off of whatever it's attached to, and there you have it, your very own hemp bracelet. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. Also, like Kickapoo Kind on Instagram and Facebook.